Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving ownership. This avoids illegal bypass. First, locate the original source: email, cloud, or the app where you saved the file. Once done, check any password manager or notes app you use. Many people store credentials there without realizing. Make sure to inspect device backups and synced folders, because an unlocked copy often lives in a backup. If you find the original sender, ask them directly for the password. This is the fastest, cleanest route. Next, use legitimate tools only. Open the PDF in an official reader app that supports password entry and account recovery. Some cloud-hosted viewers let the owner reset access. If the file came from a service, sign into the originating account and check file versions or sharing settings. Sometimes a previous unlocked copy is available. You can also export metadata or version history from backups to confirm ownership. Do not use third-party cracking tools. They risk data loss and legal trouble. Finally, once you regain access, store the password securely in a password manager and enable syncing so you don't repeat this. If recovery fails, contact the document owner or the account administrator and request a reset or a new copy. Explain ownership and provide proof if needed. If things go wrong, make sure the PDF isn't corrupt, update your viewer app, and verify file permissions on the cloud. Troubleshooting these benign issues often resolves access without any risky or illegal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.